Hi.
Uptown Swing, level 1, Maddie.
Peter. So we talked about feelings, trying to get some actual connection there, and everyone did a really nice job. It really changed things. So we tried this, just going woo, just to get people trying a little feeling on that turn. So we put it into this simple turn right here. And the goal was to get these wind-ups. Like if I'm going to turn myself, I would go like, woo, nothing, and not going anywhere. I would have a wind up and go. So we're working on getting those wind-ups. When we did, we had the leader sort of think about maybe moving their hands around like a hula hoop, if you imagine that. So my hands move in a circle, and the follower does too. And followers, when your hands go, your body's got to go as well. So your hands can kind of equal your hips a little bit in this moment. And then feel free to go through the feeling so that you can actually get some connection, some fight between us a little bit. You trying to go one way, they're trying to go the other. That's okay to have some of that, and that got a lot better. So this turn should look a little something like that, with some actual feeling between us. The other feeling we really talked about was this feeling right here. Hand on the back, and if Maddie's totally facing front, we don't feel a lot, but if she starts to face me a little bit, there becomes a moment where we sort of click in. We want to have that little click. So without pushing super hard into it, followers, if you could stay there, that was really big. And I would say, followers, every follower I tried it with, we would go rock step, triple step, and then go rock step, bye, every single time with every single person until I showed them, and then they go, oh, stay there. So we talked about followers, stick to that hand a little bit. You don't have to push into it, but if you stick to it, and that means even on the rock step, but if we go rock step, you don't automatically go forward and leave your leader's hand. You can go rock step and be right in place, and that's totally fine. And if the leader moves, you'll actually feel it much more because of that. If you can work on that nice feeling, I think it really tells the leaders, hey, I gotta do something, and the leaders will have an easier time. Good job. We'll see you at the field trip.